Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually Vlogmas. It's going to be Vlogmas day 21, I think. So instead of doing a vlog today, I just thought I would do a little Christmas room tour because tomorrow I have a lot going on. And sorry about the lighting if it's bad, but I wanted to do this at night so you guys could see like the lights and stuff in my room. So yeah. Without further ado, let's just get on into the video. So when you walk into the room, you come to the side of the door, and then I just have my light switch and this cute little cross. I don't even know where I got it, but it's really cute, and I just think it's really a good place to put it right when you walk into the room. And then my walls are just like coral. It kind of looks red, but it's coral. And then on this wall, it's coral too, and then the rest is mint. So yeah, here's a little overview, I guess. So here's my bed, my mirror, my closet's right there, and then my dresser. And my desk is over here. So the first thing you see when you walk in is my dresser, and I'm honestly not really sure where it's from, but I think I got it online somewhere a long time ago, but it's just white and it's really cute. So the first thing you see, this is my high school diploma, so I turned it around so you can't see the name of my school. First, I have this little cute little like jewelry holder from QVC. I think it's so cute, and it's so pretty. And then I just have like a little jewelry holder. I don't even know where that's from, but it's cute. And then I don't even know what this is. It's just like a little flower. And then I got these for my confirmation. They're just cute little like boxes, and there's one on both sides. And then I have this cute little decoration. I'm honestly not sure where this is from either. It says "Let It Snow," and then I put some fake snow in there. And then just this cute little guy. I think it came with a mug that I have. So yeah, I think that looks cute. And then I have my little lamp, which surprisingly is actually from Five Below, and it's really cute. And it's like blue, and then it has rose gold, so it like matches perfectly to my room. And then I just put this cute little like coin purse I have from Anthropologie. I think it's so pretty. And then I have this Bath and Body Works candle that I never really burn, but it's cute for decoration. And then I have this Baby It's Cold Outside little sign that I got as a gift, and it's so cute and just adds a little touch. And then I just have this cute sign. I'm not sure. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. It's so cute. And it just has a lot of like inspiring things. And then just some little like jewelry stuff, and this little note that my friend Jill wrote me. It's so cute. So yeah, that's my dresser. And then also the little Merry Christmas sign is from Target from the dollar section. So I think it looks super cute. And yeah. Okay, next I have this little like cart thing. I honestly don't know where it's from. I think it's from Amazon. But it's just coral and it matches the wall. Then I just have this like jewelry stand thing. It was meant to be like a little cute jewelry stand, but it broke. So it's just kind of like a random stuff stand. I have like some change there, like an old iHome. My wallet sits there because it's easy to grab. And just like random stuff. And those drawers I'm not going to show you because they're gross. There's like random stuff. And those are just random Christmas gifts. I didn't know where to put them, so I just put them there. And next I have my desk. It's just this really cute white desk. I think it's from Ashley Home Store. I'm not really sure though, but it's really cute. And it just matches perfectly. And so first I have my tree, which is so cute, and I just wanted a little touch of something, not too big because my room's not very big, but it's so cute. It's from Five Below actually, and I got the ornaments from the dollar store, and I think it's so pretty, the white, and it just looks so good. So next I just have these two lamps. Honestly, I don't even know where they're from, but they work, and they're gold, and I think they just match pretty good. And this thing just holds a bunch of random stuff, and it's nice, just organized. And just a couple little decor. This has more like desk supplies, and random stuff is in the drawers, so I'm not gonna open them. And then I love this part of my room. It's my bulletin board, so it just I decorated it with scrapbook paper, and it matches like my room, the colors. And then I just put like the tinsel around it, and then I also have some Christmas pictures I just printed off the internet and Pinterest. So it's really pretty, and I think it adds a lot to the room. And I just switch it out for each season. So when it's like summertime, I put summer pictures and stuff. So yeah, that is the side of the room. I'll do a little overview again. So it's just my dresser, and then the little like craft supply holder, and then my desk. So yeah, that's that side of the room. And then making the way to the other side of the room, this is just behind my door, and I just put some Christmas lights around it. I think they look really pretty and just like give it some pop. And then you move over this way, and this is my closet. So I'm not gonna open it because, well, I mean, I can show you, but I'm not gonna just like go through it. But I just have clothes, And they're kind of organized, not really, but, and then I just have random stuff back there, and then a bunch of shoes. So yeah, that's my closet. And then, oh, also I have this cute little sing, dance, love sign that I actually got, and it's like mirrored, so it's really cute. And it was actually in the people that used to live here, they left it here, and it just kind of fit perfectly for my like personality. So I just left it, and I think it looks really good. Oh, and then also I forgot, I always use this, and don't mind my appearance, I look so bad. But this is just my full-length mirror. I think I got it for my birthday a couple of years ago, but it's cute, and I really like it in front of my closet because then I can see my outfits right after I pick them out. So yeah, that's my mirror. Oh, also I forgot to mention, oops. I forgot to mention those lights, those Christmas lights too, I got from just a hardware store, and I really like how they're white and not the green wire because they just match really good. Oh, and then I also forgot about those. Those are just some cute little signs. They're just like peel off. You can stick them to the wall. And they just say, do something amazing today. What does that say? Enjoy the ride, dream, and because when you stop and smell the roses, this life is really amazing. I just think they're super cute and they match really well. And now for my favorite part of my room, my bed. So I have the vlog going because it's cozy and it's cute for the holidays. And then my comforter is actually reversible. So that's the flower side that I always have out during the summer. But for Christmas, I thought it looked good with the white side. It's from Target. And then I have this cute little blanket that is from Five Below. It says Merry and Bright. And it just like gives it a nice Christmassy feel. And then my pillows, some of them I have in my dorm room, but I brought home with me. So this one is from Hobby Lobby, and it's so cute. It has little like pom-poms. Then these two are from Kohl's. And then this is just like the one that came with the comforter set. And then this one, I love this one. It's so cute. It is from Five Below. And I just love like the tree, and it's so cute. So yeah, that's my bed. And I also have these lights, but they don't work. They just ran out on me the other day, but I'm still going to leave them up because they look cute. And then this sign I've had for a while, but it's from Five Below as well. And then making the way to the other side, I just have the same little like cart as the other side, but it's mint green. And this just has random craft supplies, like I said earlier, like the other one. And this one is kind of like my nightstand because it's just right next to my bed. And I sleep, like, my head's here, so I always have stuff here. So this is just my little, I always put my, like, devotional, and that's, like, my journal that I like to journal in. Just a lot of, like, faith things, like, because I always come here in the morning, so to put that there. This is a cute little gift I got from my friend. It has Bible verses in it, so I thought that was a little cute, really cute, just for some inspiration sometimes. And then I just have my Bibles. So, yeah, that's my little nightstand. And then I love this part of my room. It's so cute. This jewelry stand is from Amazon, and I love this. I got this inspiration from my friend because she also has this, and it's awesome. And I don't think it was too expensive. It was like maybe $40, so that's not too bad. It just has all my jewelry, so long necklaces and then earrings. You literally can fit all your jewelry. It's amazing. And then it has a little spot for your like bracelets and earrings and rings, and it can come off too if you want to. And then bracelets and more spots for necklaces. So it's perfect if you guys have a lot of jewelry as well, because I have a ton. And then over here, it's just that's like a random bin of scarves and just some random stuff. And then over here, this is the last part of my room, and I love this part. This is my vanity, and it's dark outside, so sorry about the lighting. But I love this vanity. It is also, I'm not sure where it's from, but I really like it. And it has a lot of storage, so I just have, in this drawer, I have random, like, skincare stuff, some eyelashes, and some chapstick. And then up here, I just keep my makeup brushes, so I just have this cute little container, and this one, too, it's like a heart. It's really cute. Then this is a cute little decoration that I just put out. And then this thing is also a little cart. And this just has some more beauty stuff and makeup and hair stuff. So that's like my makeup wipes, my brush, headbands, and random curling supplies. And then this drawer has all my like curling wands and straighteners and all my heating tools for my hair and my blow dryer. And this one has random like makeup bags and stuff. So yeah, that's helpful. And then this, I love this thing. It's my little like Lazy Susan spinner makeup cart thing. So up here I just have a bunch of makeup, like brushes, lipsticks, stuff like that. And then down here I like to put, like, this is my foundation, more foundation, some perfume, some eyeshadow palettes that are kind of old. And then down here I like to put like some more everyday things. So that's my blush. And then let's turn it this way. And then this has my everyday like BB cream and setting spray. And then, where is it? And then over here, I just have my beauty blender that I always use. So it's very convenient and it's really nice to use when I'm sitting here. In this drawer, I just have more skincare and stuff. This is bath bombs that I never really use. Some random like hand lotion. And this drawer I always use. This just has my bobby pins. This little container has hair ties and bobby pins. And it's really old, but it's cute. And I just have my combs. And then I just have little like elastics for my hair. And I use that a lot. And this one has random like headbands, like a random like bun maker when those were in style. Yeah, just random stuff in there. My iPad just sits there a lot because I like to watch YouTube videos when I get ready. And then this has all my scrunchies. And then up here, I always keep my makeup palettes, so like my eyeshadow, and that's like a random blush one. And then this is my little mirror that I use to get ready with. And then right here, I just have all my favorite products. So like my spray bottle, some perfumes, lotion, random hair stuff. Oh yeah, and then above here, I just put a cute little stocking that has an A on it. It's from the dollar store. I just thought it was cute and added a little touch. And then my curtains, I don't know where they're from because I got them. The people that used to live in this house had them, so they just kept them here. And then these, I think, are from Amazon. And it's showing up more red, but it's coral and it matches like that wall. So those are on both sides. And then we have, for Christmas, in all the windows in the front of my house, we have these candles. They're just like battery operated, or they plug into the wall. I don't even know what that is. It's like random. So yeah, looks like that on both sides. And also before I end the video, I'm gonna turn the lights off so you guys can see what it looks like when the lights are out, and all the like lights in my room are on. So yeah, let me show you. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my room. And also, make sure you stay tuned for more Vlogmases because it's almost Christmas and it'll be some fun Vlogmases coming up. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.